Hi friends, this is just an effort to show the elegance of waves in a sea. I just wonder at the grace of the Lord and Jagannatha when I see Mother Nature and the Lord Himself showing Himself to us. The life becomes meaningful with the gratitude. I just love the sea and oceans, and I can sit for hours together in the beach looking at the waves. I just don't get tired of looking at the waves coming and going back only to come back again. It has so many things and so many messages for us. We just have to be open minded to listen to them and understand. ये तो कुदरत का नज़ारा है, कुदरत की देन है. Just sit back and enjoy and be grateful to the Mother Earth and universe and the Lord Himself. Hope you enjoy this video. Remember to share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you friends. See you in my next video. Bye.